జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.
Ramachandra Swami doing namaskaram to all 350 mothers and seeking forgiveness if any mistakes are committed, and now taking all of their permission to go to Vanavasam. At that time, all those mothers started crying loudly at once. Whatever the sound created out of their grief is spreaded all over the palace. The palace, the Dasharatha Maharaja's king's palace, which used to be having all beautiful, wonderful, divine sounds, now it is filled up with the sound of the grief, sound of all the mothers cry. That palace, which used to be having all kind of divine prayers, now that palace is filled up with the grief of all mothers. All mothers started taking each and every good quality of Rama, but not able to bear the separation from Rama. They are all crying. At the same time, all the mothers pointing out all the mistakes of Kaikamma and crying. Like that, the entire palace is vibrating with the sound of cry. Now, Rama coming close to Dasharatha Maharaju. Rama did parikrama to Dasharatha Maharaju and did namaskaram to Dasharatha Maharaju, and now going to go to Vanavasam. Rama, Sita and Lakshmana, all of them are so down because they are all thinking that in this old age I should be serving my father, I should be taking care of my mother, but I am leaving both of them helpless and going to go to forest. That kind of sadness is there with Sita, Rama and Lakshmana. Then Ramachandra Swami went to mother Kausalya Devi, did namaskaram. Raghavaha Sokasammudho Jananim Abhyavadayat. Now Rama is unable to suppress his cry anymore. He is now crying and doing namaskaram to Kausalya Devi. At the same time, Lakshmana Swami also did namaskaram to first Kausalya Devi and then to his mother Sumitra Devi. Sumitra Devi has taken Lakshmana very close to her and now saying good words to Lakshmana, saying that, oh Lakshmana, you are born to be living in forest. I know that. Rame pramadam makarshihi putra bhratari gacchati. Oh Lakshmana, Kausalya Devi gave birth to Rama, who is able to save this entire world. But I gave birth to you only to be with Rama, only to serve Rama. That is your entire life purpose. Oh Lakshmana, you take care of Rama, you take care of Sita. When Sita and Rama is going around the places in the forest, you don't enjoy the places, but you have to be very, very alert in taking care of Sita and Rama. Oh Lakshmana, while Rama is walking, the beautiness behind his walk, the beautiness behind his postures, the dignity behind his walk, even all the devatas also gets completely paused while looking at that. That kind of great walk and dignified walk and beautiful walk Rama has. Do not get that kind of paused and hypnotized. You have to be very careful. So you please make sure you are always alert in taking care of Sita and Rama. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.